How to change your TikTok password without phone number. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok password without phone number. So in order to change your TikTok password without phone number, all you have to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and update your following application. So for that, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in TikTok, and if you see update instead of open, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, and after the app is completely updated, click the open button and log in into your TikTok account. Now once you're logged into your TikTok account, it's going to take you to the interface something like this. So right on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. Next page, you need to go ahead and tap on edit profile. So in order to make changes with your password, you'll need to make sure that you've already added an email address as an alternative. Now go ahead and tap on the tab bar icon from the top and go to settings and privacy. Now on this interface, you'll need to go ahead and tap on security. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on accounts. After that, you need to go to account information. Now first of all, you'll have to unlink your phone number. So for that, go ahead and type in unlink phone located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, then a verification link will be sent to your email through which you can actually reset your password. So in that way, you can change your password on TikTok without phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.